I am sitting here after a really rough night, and I think it's time to be real about the Alzheimer's. Um, it was a really rough night. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes with Alzheimer's, they get angry and they say a lot of things that hurt. And I still smile in public, but I cry a lot at night. And I'm still upset this morning. Um, Last night, Mick just went off, and I was a bitch, I couldn't do anything right, and this is not the man I married. This is not him. This is Alzheimer's. And this morning, when I went out, he was sitting in his chair, and his response was, "Good morning, love of my life." And I'm still hurt, and I'm still angry, but I'm not angry at him. I'm angry at the disease because Alzheimer's has changed him into somebody I really don't know. He, I married him because he made me laugh, and we laughed a lot, and we don't laugh very much anymore. Um, there's a lot of anger there. There's a lot of, I don't know, I think he's scared too, which I would be as well. The moments that he knows that he has Alzheimer's and he's slipping. Um, Saturday night, I had to make a dish for the church potluck on Sunday. And it was my own fault, and I knew I couldn't leave him, but I did. I put the ziti on to boil. It had 7 minutes left. I set 2 timers, and I said, I need to run to the store because I'm missing an ingredient. Could you please just take this off the stove, move it off the stove? Yeah, sure, no problem, no problem. And I set 2 timers, so if he didn't hear the one, he would hear the other. I came home. The pasta was burning, still boiling. Um, I asked what happened. Both the timers were going off. And he looked at me and he goes, What? What was I supposed to do? That's Alzheimer's. And it was my fault. And I'm kind of kicking myself about it. Um, I came to the realization that I really can't leave him alone anymore, especially at night, especially when things get worse. And this is Alzheimer's, and this is real. And again, it's not his fault, but the words really hurt. And I'm hurt, and it's just what the disease is. So, time to get real. Time to, I guess, get some help. I've been offered the help before. And I said, no, I can handle it, I can handle it. And I'm thinking maybe I can't handle it all anymore. I'm not talking about putting him in a home because I have promised him that unless he gets violent, I will never ever put him in a home. Um, if he gets physically violent is the time where I have to say enough. I will wipe his butt. I will do whatever I have to do. Again, I'm not being a martyr. I'm just being true. But respite care has been offered to me so I can go to the grocery store, so I can go to a girls' night and not have to worry. You probably saw the other night when I was gone, he went to put a log on the fire. A burning log fell off, and he didn't realize it until the smoke alarm went off. And that scared me because I don't want to lose him to a burning log because I was out having a good time. So that's pretty much what the disease is about. Our friends really don't know Unless you've gone through Alzheimer's before, you don't know. You don't know what it is, what it's about. I don't know what it is, what it's about, other than what I've read about. And I'm scared. I'll be real, I'm scared. I don't know if I'm tough enough for this. I love him, but Alzheimer's is not him. And I need to remember that. I need to, when I go out there again and he says, "Good morning, my love," I need to not still be holding on to that hurt and anger and just say good morning back. So, I know this is kind of heavy today, but I promise to show you the real side of Alzheimer's, and this is it. Well, Mick says I have a little addiction, and I think he's correct. This is the Easter stuff for the grandbabies, and there's a lot of it. And you know, I buy a little at a time, and then I don't realize how much I buy. Hoo boy. Well, hopefully he won't get too mad at me. Get them all boxed up and ready to go. I spoil them, but I love them. Hi guys. So you're probably wondering what I'm doing right now, and I can't really show you because what I do in my spare time is I am an online crisis counselor for Crisis Text Line. So it's a volunteer program, and I was trained to basically lay in my bed and help people. So they're always looking for people. You can go to crisistextline.org and sign up, and you go through the training, and it's a wonderful thing to do. And you can help people, and you get all the training you need. It's absolutely free, and all they ask is for 4 hours a week of your time. So that's pretty awesome, and I'll let you go because I just had someone come online. Bye. So here we are at Bountiful Baskets. The baskets are getting ready. Our awesome volunteers. This is Bountiful Baskets. It's a co-op that we get every other week. Look at that goodness. All that for only $15. We've got guavas and navel oranges, apples, avocados, cilantro, spinach, celery, potatoes, mushrooms, something else. You get 12 items, and they are as yummy as can be. Please. Thank you. Watermelon in March. How's your burger, babe?
Good.
And sweet potato fries. And sweet potato fries.
And sweet potato fries. Right, good.
Good.
Good jalapenos on the burger.
Sounds good.
Spicy, spicy.
Sounds good.